We really wanted to provide this for our community. We want them to take away the wow. This was amazing. Look what I did.
The empowerment. I can go home and I can do anything. And I can do it with my friends and a glass of wine.
And I'm gonna decorate my house and I'm gonna go back and know every project I wanna do. You know, we go to the movies all the time, we go out to eat. This just gives us something to be more hands-on, and you can do it on date night, or you can do it with a family, or you can do it with your girlfriends, or you can just come alone. It's just so many different ways that you can come visit the Rustic Brush. And I can't tell you how wonderful it is at the end of the evening for a guest that you just met to do their great reveals, be so proud of their project, and to come and give you a hug and say, I can't wait to come back and see you. It just really doesn't get much better than that.
As far as to give you a hug and to invite you to their wedding and their baby showers and these all of our guests, they come into our studio. It's really our second home. They come in and they leave friends, they leave family, and it's just the best part for us, and I really feel that that's what sets us apart.